Happy birthday, dear Tinker. Happy birthday to you.
Tinker, wait. Can we sing one more time? Because I cut it from in the middle. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
monkey. And you look like one, two. You.
I couldn't get everybody's head in. I got half of your head.
Yeah!
Yeah! Tinker, how old are you now?
7.
Okay, this is Tinker's 7th birthday. We have Zaya and 2 cousins. They are walking now. It's Jacob and Connor. Connor is in a black.
I get first piece.
And Jacob is in a
I
stripe.
get first piece.
You do get the first piece, buddy.
That's right.
Let me see. I choose. There's 4. I choose.
That one has
this
all the
one.
sprinkles on it, doesn't it? Yeah.
I know.
That's a good piece.
Mm-hmm.
That is a good piece.
Why did you?